Good morning, dear student. Today we are going to study social study and our chapter is I love my India. This is the name of chapter 4, that is I love my India. Class 3, subject social science. Now what we have learned previously? We have learned about the continents, about the oceans, about the India's ranking in the world. So India's ranking is the 7th largest country in terms of area and size, and it is the 2nd largest country in terms of population. And our country India, that lie in which continent? That is Asia. And what we have learned, that the neighboring countries. So, what are the neighboring countries of our country? Like the Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka and Maldives. That are 9 neighboring countries of India. And India is surrounded by the water bodies like the Bay of Bengal in the east, like Arabian Sea in the west, and in the south, that is the Indian Ocean. And what we see the political map of India. And through political map, what we learn? We learn all the states and their capitals and union territory. So, what do you mean by state? Yes, state means India is divided into the smaller parts that are called the states. Okay, and how many states in our country? Yes, there are 28 states in our country. But previously, how many states are there? There are 29 states previously, and the new state, the 29th state of our country, that was Telangana. Okay, and this Telangana, that carved out from Andhra Pradesh, and its capital is the Hyderabad. But now in present time there are only 28 states in our country. So which is the largest state in our country? The largest state of India. Okay, so which one is the largest state? That is the Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest state. And which one is the smallest state? Which one is the smallest state? सबसे छोटा सा state कौन सा है? Smallest state of India. So that is Goa. Okay, so Goa is the smallest state of our country, that is India. And which one is the largest? That is Rajasthan is the largest state of our country, India. So Rajasthan is the largest one and Goa is the smallest state of our country. Clear? Now, what we have learned previously? We learned that the two types of government in our country. So, what their names? Yes, their names are the central government and the state government. What is the central and the state? So, these are the two types of government in our country. And what is the work of state government? That to maintain law and order. Okay, so what was the main work? To maintain law and order. And what is welfare of the people. Now, what we have learned? We have learned about the central government. Okay? But previously, one thing we have learned, that what was the process of how to make a government. So, what is the process name? The process, that is the election. Through the election. Okay, election is the process to elect government. So, that is, this is government, and which one is the process? That is the election. We can elect our representative through the process of election. कौन सी प्रोसेस है वो? इलेक्शन. And the age, those Indians whose age is 18 years and above can right to vote. Those who are 18 years and above can right to vote. Okay, so this is the voting age. Now that is the 18 years and above. Now, and the process by which we elect our representative, that is the process name is the election. Okay, and which are the two types of government? That is the central government and the state government. Clear? And our country, India, became free on which date? Date is 15th of August 1947. That's why we celebrate this day is Independence Day. Independence means our country get free from which date? That is the 15th of August 1947. And before 1947, our country ruled by another country, that is the Great Britain. Our country ruled by another country, that is the Great Britain. Because before 1947 our country was not free. Okay, हमारी जो country थी वो free, उसको freedom नहीं था. Okay, so it was ruled by another country, that is the Great Britain. उससे किसी और country का rule था. वो कौन सी country थी? That is Great Britain. And to become free, our freedom fighters, okay, so they sacrificed their life to gain these freedom. जो हमारे freedom fighters है, okay, जैसे रानी लक्ष्मीबाई और भगत सिंह, चंद्रशेखर आजाद. So these are the freedom fighters of our country, and they sacrificed their life. उन्होंने अपनी जान भी गवा दी. क्या हासिल करने के लिए? हमारी कंट्री को फ्रीडम दिलाने के लिए, हमारी कंट्री को आज़ादी दिलाने के लिए हमारे जो फ्रीडम फाइटर्स ने अपनी लाइफ को क्या कर दिया? सैक्रिफाइस कर दिया, बलिदान कर दिया. सो आवर फ्रीडम फाइटर्स दे सैक्रिफाइस देयर लाइफ टू गेन द फ्रीडम. नाउ and the people whose age is 18 and above can right to vote. This is the voting age. Now we will continue. The central government makes law for the entire country. It has its offices in New Delhi, the capital of India, and the president, the vice president, the prime minister and other ministers and the officers of central government live and work in the capital. The President of India lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan. So children, first this is your 28th page and this is the picture of Rashtrapati Bhavan. Okay, so in this Rashtrapati Bhavan, who live? That is the President of India lives in that Rashtrapati Bhavan, and it has more than 300 rooms. इसमें कितने ज़्यादा rooms हैं? Like 300. It is इससे भी ज़्यादा. In Rashtrapati Bhavan, how many rooms are there? There are more than 300 rooms. It's more than 300 rooms in Rashtrapati Bhavan. And Rashtrapati Bhavan, who lives? So the President of India. The President of India that live in Rashtrapati Bhavan. The President of India lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan, and it has more than how many rooms? More than 300 rooms in Rashtrapati Bhavan. Clear? Now, the main point of the central government, that is the central government, its main office in Delhi. इसका जो main office है central government का कहाँ पर है? That is the Delhi. It is the capital of our country India. ये जो दिल्ली है किसकी capital है? Our country, that is India. India's capital is Delhi. So its main office in Delhi. And it was Delhi. It was the resident of the president, the vice president, and the prime minister. Live and work in this capital, means in Delhi. So central government, their main office in where? In which? In Delhi. Its main office in Delhi, and who are? It is the residents of Delhi. Okay. So all these, the president, the vice president, and the prime minister, and some other minister. So they live and work in where? They live and work in Delhi. This is the India's capital. Okay. So what do you learn about the Delhi? Delhi is the India's capital, and the main office of this government, that is the central government, is in Delhi, and all the president of India, the vice president, the prime minister, and some other minister, they live and work in this capital, that is Delhi. Now, just as Rashtrapati Bhavan is the resident of the India's Now, the present President of India. Present President of India and what is the name? It was the name of India's first president. India's first president. Now, who was the present president of India? That is Shri Ramnath Kovind. Shri Ramnath Kovind is the present president of India. अभी के जो present president है उनका क्या नाम है? That is Shri Ramnath Kovind. And who was the India's first president? Yes, India's first president, that is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. So Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. So because India became free on which date? That is 15th of August 1947. So after that, the first president, the India's first president, what was the name? That is Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. So who was the first president of India? That is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. And the present president of India, अभी के जो president है इंडिया के, that name is Shri Ramnath Kovind, the present president of our country, that is India. And now, what was the work of central government? That it makes law. It makes law for entire country. For entire country. Law means what? That is Kanun. Okay? In schools, there are some laws in classrooms. Okay? So, to maintain of our country and to protect our country, so these the central government that make law for the entire country. So what was the work of that government? The work, what was the work? That is to make law for entire country. To make laws for entire country. That was the work of the central government. And its main office, where? Its main office in New Delhi. What we learn about the central government? That its work is to maintain law for entire country and its main office in New Delhi. And now, and the president, the prime minister and the vice president and some other ministers, they live and work in, where? In Delhi. Okay? So, and the president of India that live in where? In Rashtrapati Bhavan, and in this Rashtrapati Bhavan it has more than 300 rooms. Okay, it has more than 300 rooms. So what do you learn about central government? That we know that the central government, the work of the central government is to make law for the entire country. And where is the main office? Its main office is in New Delhi. And what do you know about the New Delhi? It is the capital of our country, that is India. New Delhi is the capital of our country. Okay, and in this, all the president, all the vice president, and the ministers and other ministers that live and work in where? In New Delhi. And the president of India that lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan. And what was the specialty of that? There are more than 300 rooms in Rashtrapati Bhavan. And who was the first president of India? Yes, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of our country, India. And who is the first present president of India? That is Shri Ram Nath Kovind, the present president of our country, India. Now, who is the president of US? So, the US president, what is the name? That is Donald Trump. That is Donald Trump. And he lives in where? He lives in the White House. The White House. White House is the residence of US President, that is Donald Trump. US President means United States of America. Okay? So, who is the president of that? That is the Donald Trump. And the residence is the Donald Trump that lives, that is the president of US, and the residence name is the White House. White House is the residence of US president, and Rashtrapati Bhavan is the residence of the president of our country. Clear? So, here the Rashtrapati Bhavan, in Rashtrapati Bhavan, who lives there? The president of India. Okay, and so the president of India that lives in where? The Rashtrapati Bhavan. And the US president lives in where? In the White House. Okay, and what is the name of what was the present name of the US president? That is the Donald Trump. Now our next topic is the state government. The state government. Now we understand about this topic in our next video. Till then,